Hi, and welcome to the BOOX channel. Running on an Android system, BOOX devices support many third-party apps that help boost productivity. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through an app organization, grouping, and management so you can set up your device in a way that truly fits your workflow. To keep your app layout clean, organizing is important. On devices with a tablet-like UI, such as the Note Air 5C, you can simply long press and drag an app to readjust it. On some BOOX devices with a non-tablet UI, like Go 10.3, the process is slightly different. First, enter the Apps page from the sidebar. Tap the hamburger icon, set Sort By to Custom, and tap OK. Once manual sorting is enabled, you can long press any app to drag and rearrange it now. Grouping also helps you allocate screen space more efficiently. You can manage similar apps together and access what you need faster. You can create app groups in two ways: single app grouping or manage in bulk. For single app grouping, long press the target app and select Add to Group. You can add the app to an existing group or create a new group and name it accordingly. On BOOX devices like Go 10.3, manage in bulk is ideal when organizing multiple apps at once. Tap the hamburger icon, select Manage in Bulk, choose the apps you want to organize, and add them to a group. You can also long press the group to drag and reorder it. Long pressing an app inside a group allows you to remove it from that group. Try categorizing apps by use case or function. This will help you keep your layout intuitive and easy to navigate. Once your app layout is organized, app management becomes just as important. You can access all key controls by long pressing an app and selecting Manage. For third-party apps, the management page includes an uninstall button, allowing you to uninstall the app completely. System apps cannot be uninstalled, but can be forced to stop. You can also manage notifications and permissions here. If an app becomes slow, crashes, or fails to load, storage and cache management could be your first troubleshooting step. Go to Storage, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary cache without affecting your data. If the issue persists, tap Clear Data, which deletes app data and should be used with caution. If none of these steps resolve the problem, make sure your app data is backed up. Then uninstall the app and reinstall it. For advanced users, a set of deeper controls can further optimize the experience and support more complex workflows. By disabling Allow the app to access internet, you can block specific apps from accessing the network. This is especially useful for offline-focused apps, as it reduces background data usage and helps save battery life. On the Apps and Notifications page, tap App Startup, and you can choose which apps start automatically when the system starts. Apps like Drive or Docs can be enabled here, so you don't have to worry about synchronization issues. Take time to organize and manage apps on your BOOX device, and you'll spend less time searching through cluttered lists, so everyday app usage becomes efficient. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.